Welcome to Natural Remedies.
If you are new in this channel, consider you to subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button and click the bell icon to know the latest update.
When it comes to height, various factors play a major role. Genetics is an important factor that can predict how tall your baby will grow. In addition to genetics, eating the right kind of nutritious foods is very important to help your child grow tall. Watch carefully about each height growth food in babies, toddlers, and kids in detail. Soybeans. Soybeans are the highest source of protein in plant-based food. It contains protein in its purest form, which is crucial for the development of bone and tissue in your child. Fish. One of the best height-growing foods. Salmon and tuna are two types of fish that are extremely rich in vitamin D and proteins. Intake of tuna can boost your baby's height growth. Milk. Milk is rich in calcium, which boosts your child's growth. It keeps your child's bones strong and prevents them from breaking easily. Milk is also a very good source of protein, which helps the growth of cells in your child's body. Eggs. Eggs are rich in proteins and vitamin B12. Encourage your child to have at least 1 to 3 eggs every day, in order to gain height. Chicken. Chicken has one of the highest protein content in animal-based food sources. Intake of chicken will help in the development of muscles and tissue in your child. You must try to include these food groups regularly in your child's diet to increase height and to ensure his healthy height growth and development. You can plan and prepare his meals keeping the above information in mind.